Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Vegan Valley here. Today I got five ways you should go vegan, especially if you're black. First way, you're black. Be a vegan if you're black. You know why? Because I feel like culturally and historically, from biblical times, we've been eating all this. Especially when I say black, I mean Hispanic, everything, not white. So we've been eating white people eat it too, but like we really like made it like a culture. Like we got it like running through our veins. Like I'm talking about, we been eating like anything with high cholesterol, sugar, all this chicken and all this. We eat heavy, you know. We know how to eat, especially if you're Caribbean. You be eating that jerk chicken, the oxtails, and sucking on the bone and everything. Like, come on, like, what y'all need to do with all of that stuff, since it's culturally in our ancestors, it's in our parents, our grandmothers, and our children. We gotta like turn that cycle around, because it's like when you was in the womb and your mom was eating all that oxtail, jerk chicken, and all this other extra stuff, all of that hormones from all the hamburgers, everything, all that stuff was floating, you was eating it too. So I'm not saying like I was a vegan my whole life. Of course, yeah, we all been there, but I'm just trying to change the cycle. So if you eating like that now, if your family have a history of eating like that, I would say break that cycle. Maybe you could start just going vegetarian or pescatarian, just only eating fish and stuff. You know, like the Rasta men do. All of them with the dreads, and they only do fish and vegetables. Alright, so what's my second reason? Let me look up my second reason. This is the real 5 reasons. There's not none of that stuff that you see on the internet. This is a real, uncut, raw 5 reasons to go vegan right now, especially if you're black. Alright? Yes, of course, you know, animals want to live. It's good for the environment. But I'm sure many of you know that already. I'm giving you the raw, uncut reasons to go vegan, alright? Make sure, while you're waiting, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. We really don't need animal products. Like, when you think about it, we don't need animal products. We don't need to live off animal products. We don't need animal products. Reading what's this guy named Russell Simmons. I was reading his book, and he was saying how back then it was only rich people, like the real rich people, that kind of like sitting on, you know, the people that sitting on the throne, got their crown on their head, feet up, and it's just like, you know what? I'm so rich, I want to eat that squirrel or something over there. Like, let me suck on the bone while all these guys, these peasants is eating all this little stuff. I'm eating meat. So they was like, yo, I'm eating meat, and that's like a symbol to prove that, listen, if you eat meat, I'm richer than you. I'm above you. I got more power than you. I'm eating good, this and that. That's how they saw it. You look at the anatomy of the human body. Our digestive system isn't supposed to digest anything and any meat related. We're not carnivores, alright? So while he was eating meat, it was basically only for rich people, alright? So it was a sign of kind of like, yeah, I'm rich, and look, I'm eating meat. Like, this is this. And while you eating that, I'm eating this. That's all. And then after a while, it just become culturally, like, everybody started eating chicken and all this ham and this and that. But look, you're not rich, right? None of us is rich. So if you're poor and you still eating meat, you're fronting, alright? Come on, like, if you rich and you eating meat, I understand. Maybe if you rich and you over like 85 eating meat, I'd be like, alright, I understand. Like, you was probably from back when then, and you probably thought it was. But if you young and you're a teenager and stuff, eat right, eat healthy. the stuff that they putting in the foods now, that stuff, if you start off eating that stuff now, by the time you turn like 20, I say like in your 20s, you're going to start slowing down, you're going to feel sluggish, you're going to feel lazy. Eating right is the key to success. If you didn't know, eating right is the key to success. How many people eat right? How many successful people you think eat right? Jay-Z is a vegan. Beyonce is a vegan. A lot of these guys eating right and healthy because, look, it takes you out of a space. You're so used to just eating all these chemicals and mixing with prescription pills, and that's a whole nother video that I gotta do too, because prescription drugs aren't even good for you at all. It's worse than recreational drugs. But you're putting all this stuff in your body and you put in all this food and stuff, you like start to like, you kind of like go into a whole nother dimension. Like that's like it's a whole nother world once you start eating better. You start to wake up, you feel alive, especially when you drink the right water. So the water I usually drink is a brand called Essentia. That's like a pH level of like 9.5. I don't really believe it's 9.5, but it's definitely above 7.0 because when you take the pH tester and you put it in, it recording. Yeah, so when you put the pH tester, or you take the pH tester and you test the water out, it's like a purplish color, so that's definitely way over the 7.0. So it's alkaline water, so I only drink alkaline water. With alkaline water, it balances out the pH levels in your body. Therefore, I feel like you do start to wake up. You do start to feel alive. Because when you're just feeding yourself all these chemicals, it's like you're in a dream. It's like, it's crazy to think about it. Like, I really woke up from that. Like, it's like a mind state where it's just like, you in this like fantasy world, and you just eating all this stuff, eating all these steroids and all this other stuff. And it's just creating like, it's just piling up inside your body. And you just start to get immune to it. You don't even taste the difference. I'm telling you. Guys, teenagers, I'm going to give you this challenge for 1 week. Go 1 week without meat and then try to go back onto it. I bet you'll taste the difference. You'll taste all that stuff that's in there. All that stuff that's in any kind of meat it could be any type of like health condition or any type of thing you need treatment for. If your eyes is messed up, your hearing is messed up. Listen, before you take all of them pills, drink straight juice. Go juicing for a year. Please, juice for a whole year, and I'm telling you, you'll have amazing results. Like when I tell you like carrots, like when you start juicing carrots, beets, red cabbage, turnips, blueberries, apples, oranges, pineapple, and you start drinking that and just it absorbs through your body, it'll automatically start to reverse anything that's wrong with your body. So if you have eczema, if you got pimples, acne, you got loss of hair, you got cuts that's not, it's not healing too well on one side of your body or something like that. You got aches and bone pain in your back, and you got muscle pain and stuff like that. That will fix it all. I'm telling you, it will cure it all. Scientists, they're not gonna tell you this stuff because it's a capitalist society, so we're trying to make money off of our people. I respect that, but you got to understand. They got maybe insurance and stuff that may be even cheaper to heal you. It may be provide treatment easier. It's more convenient instead of smashing 30 vegetables and fruits in the thing. But you can do that straight from home. It's easy. It will work. I'm telling you. Just go all natural and you'll be fine. I'm telling you. Like, you won't even get sick like that. You could go outside butt ass naked in the cold, 0 degrees. You won't even get sick. Yeah, like I was saying, when I went vegan, I went from vegan to I went from eating chicken, beef, everything you can name. I went from that to going vegan. I learned about a whole catalog of different dishes, tasty dishes that I'd never heard of before. Like, I'm telling you, like, it's like a whole new world. Like, you go into this stuff, you eat this stuff, and you just like, wow, like, this isn't me. Or this is a veggie burger, or this is a veggie dog. Like, you know, you like, it's so much stuff that's like, it's a whole new world of food. And if you like me, I'm an Aquarius. I like to explore and travel and see different new things. So that was definitely like an eye opener. Like, it was like stuff that I never even heard of. So like you saw in my last video that if you knew, then go watch my last video. I'll post it somewhere over there. But it was like a whole new world. Like, you know, you just try new things, try different foods. Even if you're gonna still eat meat, I know a lot of people, you watching this video for a reason. You're probably like, I wanna stop, but it's too tasty. I've been there before. Cut it off. You gotta cut it off like cold turkey, like instantly. Like, you gotta just wake up one day and be like, I'm not eating this no more. Or you could slowly get into it, you know? You could be a pescatarian or something, or a vegetarian, and you could try different diets and see which ones fit you, see which one suits your body and how it makes you feel and what you like. So that's basically my 5 reasons that you should go vegan, especially if you're black. I feel like they kind of want you to go vegan. Like, I know you guys are hearing the stuff that y'all eating, like stuff about these, like in these news articles, like you hear some stuff, it's like they want you to go vegan. They telling you like the FDA approved clone meat, the chicken got steroids in it. Chicken is like linked to cancer. If you eat this, you're gonna increase your percentage by 60% of getting diabetes or something. Like, I feel like they want you to go vegan because it's like they're throwing all that stories out at people, and people are just like, what? They reading it? Like, okay. And just like, put it down. Yeah, pass me that drumstick over there, bro. Like, and then they just keep on going with it. So it's like, I feel like people aren't seeing the clues. Like, it's kind of like they want you to stop eating that stuff. Because these news articles, they I know it's like propaganda or whatever, but they'll make them for a reason. Like, it's a reason. Like, it's true. You remember when chicken wings was like this big, right? Now they're like this. Like from here, like this is like one drumstick. Like, come on, like you gotta see it. You gotta remember and know what you're doing. You know, the key to success is health, everybody. So if you're young, you watching this, share with somebody that's young, so that they can know that the key to success is your health. You want to get your heart right. You want to get your mind right, your body right, your skin right, your hair right, everything. Everything revolves around health. You need to be healthy in order to do what you need to do. So health comes first. When you healthy, then you could do whatever you want to do. If you want to do fitness, basketball, football, you want to play games, this and that. Just make sure your health is right first, because you need your health. Just like you playing a video game, you need to make sure your health is good. I know some of y'all be playing Fortnite. You play Fortnite, make sure you wrap that bandage around. Make sure you get your health to like 75 before you go out in combat. You need that. Your health is way more important than anything else. I can't stress that enough. So, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Let them know that, you know, if you having trouble, please, if you're having trouble with anything, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me on Instagram at Vegan Valley. I'll put it down in the link below. And also follow me if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. I know I'm asking for a lot, but I kind of waited to the last moment to do this. I was going on a rant, giving y'all, sharing loads of information. There's more videos to come. I'll upload more. You know, tell me in the comment what you like, what you don't like, this and that. I love criticism. Criticize all my videos. Please like, dislike, whatever you want. I'll be back probably next week or something, I'll make another video like this, just going on about why you should be vegan or this and that, or whatever video I want, whatever video in the comments that I like, I'll make a video the same day. So go through that, and I love you all. Peace.